Now, here comes the complete opposite story. Ladies and gentlemen, the fifth segment. It's a happy story. While some Indians they are being politically targeted in America, others are sitting at the highest tables of global power. Meet Sanjay Malhotra, born in Kanpur, India, educated partly in India. Now he is one of America's most powerful semiconductors executive. Today he is the only Indian origin business leader in US President Mr. Donald Trump's China delegation. Can you think about that? In a room discussing AI, semiconductors, technology war, and America-China rivalry, an Indian origin CEO is sitting beside some of the biggest names in the business world. This is not just symbolic anymore. Indian talent is now deeply embedded inside the American technology machine. And Malhotra's story, it perfectly captures the Indian immigrant dream. Middle class beginning, engineering education, migration to America, years of struggle, and finally, leadership at the global level. His company, the name is Micron. It is also investing billions in India's semiconductor emissions, which by the way means something far more important is happening. India is no longer exporting software talent. India now wants to be part of a global chip supply chain. And in the middle of the US-China technology battle, India suddenly matters more than ever. And that is why leaders like Malhotra, they are becoming strategically important not just for business, but for geopolitics itself. This is new Indian story in America, not just employees. Now we are decision makers. Now let's talk about another Indians in the headline these days. Let's leave politics for a moment here and enter the world of celebrity power, because an Indian origin designer is suddenly dominating global entertainment headlines. Rishi Patel, a luxury event designer now rumored to be planning the wedding of Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce. And social media has completely exploded. Fans are calling it the wedding of the decade. America's royal wedding, a generational event. And somewhere in the middle of all of this hype is an Indian origin creative professional. This matters more than people realize. Why? Because for years, Indians abroad, they were stereotyped, mainly as engineers, doctors, or coders. But now, Indians are entering luxury designs, global fashion, celebrity culture, high-end entertainment. And they are not just participating, they are leading here. Rishi Patel reportedly built his reputation through luxury experiences and giant celebrity events. This is soft power, the kind that changes perception globally when Indians become visible in elite creative spaces. It reshapes how the world sees Indian talent. Not just technical, but artistic. Luxury driven, global, and honestly, that shift is becoming impossible to ignore.